Let's just make sure this is where. Ooh. Okay. Got it, girl, you got it. Hey, boss. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. And today we are going to be doing a hair review on the Outre. This is the melted hairline. Oh, had it backwards. This is the melted hairline. This is very affordable. This is actually a synthetic wig. You can get it from any local beauty store if they have it available. Very affordable. And yeah, we're just gonna be doing a review on it. I have not worn a synthetic wig in like so long. Like, you know, when you get used to wearing that, you just be like forgetting about synthetic wigs. But I'm like, you know what, let me try this out. You know, I've been wanting to do a little bob or whatever. So yes, we're gonna get into that. And let me stop talking. Oh, I forgot.
Oh my god,
I gotta still braid my hair now. Oh my god, I thought we was getting right into it, but I guess not. So oh my god, I should have probably did this before. My hair was looking like a straight mushroom. All right, I'm about to bust these braids down real quick. All right, y'all, my bean headed back. All right, I'm for real back though. Let's just get right into this. So I don't know why I'm trying to put the top back on, but I am going in with the Got2B glue, the little small one. I like getting the small ones instead of the big ones, even though the big ones will last longer. This stuff be so sticky that I'm like, I just need this little one. Like, a little goes a long way. So, y'all can't see me. There y'all go. All right. Usually I do the braids a little smaller. I try to do at least 10 braids. But see how my hair was set up? Like I said, I ain't blow dry it, no nothing. Just let it dry overnight. Because I wasn't thinking about doing this video, to be honest. But I'm like, I got it, so why not? Right, so it of course comes in a net. Let's cut this off. Right, so this is the bob. Let's take all of this extra stuff off. All right, so this is a 13 by 1, which is the 1 inch by 5 inches back. And ooh, okay, this wig come with the strap. Oh my god, why did this keep doing it? All right, so like I was saying, this is not a sponsored video. This is honest. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you're watching this and you guys want to sponsor me, my email will be in the description below. But there's 2 combs right here, 1, 2, and then also a long comb in the back. They also have adjustable straps as well. To be completely honest, on a lot of wigs, I do not like using these because I feel like it tends to always break this part. You know what I'm talking about? It ends up breaking anyway. For me, at least. I don't know if it's because my hair big. But yes, I love that I got this though. Like, for real. Like, that means that it's about to be secure. But let's see how it feels. It feels nice. I'm running my hands through it and it doesn't seem like I'm getting any shedding. All right, let's put put this bad boy on. Let's see what it looked like. To be honest, this isn't looking too bad for it to not be like a like already. Does this say pre-plucked? Oh no, it just say melted. But what I am gonna do, honestly, because I don't like when hairlines are just straight, I'm just gonna take a little bit off and pluck it off just a little bit. But to be completely honest, this isn't bad. I keep looking at myself because I don't have a mirror right now. I'm sorry if I'm not looking right into the camera, but I don't have a mirror right now. So, what the? It's giving me. I don't know what's giving me yet. It's giving me something though. Alright guys, so I just plucked it and I'm just trying to brush as much as I can just to make sure that I'm not gonna blame the wig for shedding from me plucking. So next thing to do is put some foundation. Here you can do foundation or powder. Me personally, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I got some Fit Me. I usually do my, I'm not even gonna use that. I was about to go get my Fenty Beauty, but I don't got time. It's about to be quick anyway. After I am done doing that, I usually, so you see that, put some foundation on there. What I usually do is go in with my Got2B. This is $8, basically. Say $7.49, but I only do this because I used liquid foundation instead of powder. Usually if I use powder, then I'll be like, all right, I'm good, but all right, let's put her back on. You put the band and then you do the hair. Some people don't use the clips. I always like to use the clips. Not in the front though. I was about to, but I'm using that Got2B to hold it down, so I feel like using those clips ain't gonna be the right decision right now. Let's just make sure this is where. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Looking for something again. I know I'm not the only person that records and lose stuff. I had to go get me a man, because I really just be losing stuff, and it be stuff that be right in front of me, then it be poof, be gone. It just be going missing. Like, I really be convinced that things have legs, objects, because there's no way that I quickly lose something like that. Back into this though. Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Yes, we can. You know, that was good right there. We could talk about it, girl. We could talk about it. Cause, ooh, baby. Wait until I spray this down. So what I'm gonna do, and what I like to do, let me get up and close the person out. What I like to do is cut the lace in 3 sections. That's what I get for not having a mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna push this back a little bit, and I'm about to go back in with the gel. And I'm gonna put one nice little coat here. Bruh. You're supposed to wipe it off with alcohol, like your edges off with alcohol first. I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. I ain't been here back in a minute, you feel me? But don't worry, I'm gonna be here. I'm here for y'all now. We'll keep this on. Let's just pull this down over my ears a little bit. Sheesh, this is tight. Alright guys, I am back now. Let's see if this is really the melted lace. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know if I did it right. Before I do this, I have not done a synthetic wig once again in so long, so bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Oh, okay. I'm asking what lace? Ooh. Let's comb it back. Wow. Okay. Who got synthetic hair? Not me. Girl, this is human. What you thought? I don't know. I don't know what it's giving me, but it's giving. Let me stop. All right, y'all. So this is the end result. And honestly, I really like it. Like, I have not done a synthetic wig in like so long. This actually came out like really nice. I should get back into like doing synthetic hair instead of, you know, trying to be bougie, if people want to call it. I'm just always getting like human hair wigs and things like that. The only reason why is because they last so long. Like, oh my gosh, I already got one in the way in the mail, so I'm actually gonna do a video on that one as well. That's also gonna be a hair review video. Once again, if you guys stayed until the end, thank you so much. Tell me and comment down below if you like this look. But yes, thank you guys so much once again. This is a nice wig. This is not sponsored at all, but once again, if you guys want to sponsor me, down below in my email. But yeah, everything will be in the description about this wig and how much it was. The name of it is the style Isabella, and it's the melted hairline. So yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was honestly supposed to be an update video as well, but yeah, just really nothing to update. Just, you know, you go through life, so life hits you sometimes. So yeah, I hope everybody is staying safe, please just continue to stay safe for real, because this stuff is no joke at all. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and tune in for more videos from me. I feel like I'm forgetting to say something, but maybe I'm just chatting, so I'm about to just end this video. All right, bye.